Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is AFSPA extends in Manipur. The Manipur government has extended the Armed Forces Special Powers Act for another 6 months with effect from Tuesday in the ethnic violence hit state, excluding areas under the jurisdiction of 19 police stations. In a notification, Commissioner of Home said that the state government has decided to maintain the status quo, citing violent activities of extremists and insurgent groups, the overall law and order situation, and the capability of the state machinery. The notification stated that the government analyzed the law and order situation and that it is not expedient to have a detailed assessment on the ground. The notification dated 26 September stated the security agencies were preoccupied with the maintenance of law and order. Further, it will be premature to arrive at any conclusion or decision on such a sensitive matter without detailed assessment, thereby not appropriate to review the disturbed area status of the state at the moment, it stated. Now let's talk about AFSPA. The AFSPA, which has been in effect in Manipur since the early 1980s, is modelled on a colonial era ordinance. The central government or the governor of a state can declare any area as disturbed under Section 3 of the Act, which allows for military intervention. The Act was first enacted on 11th September 1958 in response to increasing violence in the northeastern states, particularly in the Naga Hills. It grants special powers to the forces to maintain public order in disturbed areas. It has faced much scrutiny for granting sweeping powers to the forces. The AFSPA prohibits prosecutions without the go-ahead from the union government if the allegations are linked to duty. A prior sanction from the union government is needed for any legal proceedings against the armed forces operating in areas where the AFSPA is implemented. The AFSPA was revoked from the Imphal municipality area in 2004, areas under 15 police stations across 6 districts in April 2022 and 4 police stations in April 2023. Now it's time for the practice question. Under AFSPA, who has the authority to declare an area as disturbed? The President of India only, the Prime Minister of India only, the central government or the governor of a state, the Chief Justice of India. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.